I'm only showing this video for safety reasons, basically to analyze what happened and what we could do to make things better for the future. Holy! Give it to me. Is it done?
The tire.
Fuck! I should have brought my water. Okay, the fire's growing pretty quick here at Baylands. The fire trucks have to go all the way around. Here they come. All right, everybody, come on. Let's clear away, let the firefighters do their job. Yep. Well, I guess I was smelling ESCs.
You were.
I wish I'd have moved faster when I first smelled it.
I honestly think we would have
only
minimized.
We need to have a fire extinguisher here.
I'll buy one.
As a matter of fact, I'd even be, I wouldn't mind asking if we could just stick it on one of those I-beams so that it's here. Yeah.
Right.
Well, I know who's buying beers for everybody.
That'd be me.
Dude, I'm so out of breath.
Yeah, smoke will do that too.
That was a lot of running around.
It's not hitting trees and structures. This is containable.
No, I think they're pretty comfortable. They can, yeah, they can handle
The fact that these guys aren't sprinting right now and all out of the truck.
Oh yeah, that's how you know it's not that big a deal.
This is not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they're just chilling, they're just walking, it's not that bad.
They know it's contained. There's no houses.
See what the other side is
Where did
doing.
this come?
Oh, that was. Thanks, JR. Thank God for our fire department. They came out here so quick, man. God bless these guys. They really do save the day. You know, you call them up and within minutes they're here. God bless our first responders.
Thank you, Sunnyvale Fire Department.
Yes, thank you, Sunnyvale PD and Fire. Huh? We don't know who caused it.
Who caused it?
Nobody could know. It's unknowable.
It's
unknowable.
I saw a prairie dog running around with a lit match.
Prairie dog.
Yeah.
With a peeker. I mean, I can tell, right? Them caused it.
Yeah.
They just don't need the internet to do that. The seed probably to the ground.
Gentlemen, I just want to say thank you. We called, you guys were here within minutes. God bless you. We really appreciate you.
There's a fire!
Thankfully, not anymore.
Dude, there's nothing left. There's like a LiPo and 2 carbon rods.
Oh boy. Well, at least we cleared some of the dead grass. Oh, wow. And the yucky smell. Dude. Hey, God bless you guys for coming out so quick, man. I swear to God, we called and it was like you teleported out here instantaneously. Hey, you guys are the best. Yeah. Oh, we really appreciate our first responders. Yeah. Yeah, we were out here trying to river dance and stomp on it, but it was, we weren't doing shit. Yeah. Well, you guys are greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah.
It didn't get like fully burned out. It just kind of got.
Notice how the thorns survived. Demon weeds. Yeah, it's like at the beginning. Did you? I don't know. Oh, here. Come on. Let's get out of the way here. Yeah. It was someone else. But we came to help them find it, and when we saw the smoke, we were like, ah! Oh, wow, so it even burnt backwards a little bit.
Spread quickly.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, there was no amount of river dancing we were going to do to stop that.
Well, like 30 minutes ago, that plane was chasing me.
Ah.
Well,
It went down.
dang.
That's rough. Well,
It just shows how dangerous a life can be.
you know what?
It's dry. It's not as dry as it will be in the dead of summer. But
You know, that's, yeah. Okay, I think one of the fire trucks accidentally ran over a water line, and it's just flooding this entire area here. All right, let me go let the parks folks know. All right, time for my unicycle debrief of what happened. Sit down here and alright, time for my unicycle debrief. I'm only showing this video for safety reasons, basically to analyze what happened and what we could do to make things better for the future. So we had a buddy of ours that was flying, and his airplane went down over in the dead dry grass. And I rushed over to help them find it. By the time I got over there, I could smell the magic smoke a little bit. That smell of the smell of ESC that's burnt, right? LiPo starting to go. And then I continued to go look for the airplane. In retrospect, the moment I smelled that, I should have ran back and grabbed the fire extinguisher, because we had a small fire extinguisher. But by the time we got out there, the fire had spread too much for that tiny little fire extinguisher. If I would have rushed back right when I first smelled that, grabbed the fire extinguisher, I think we could have successfully put out the fire right away. So in hindsight, right, 2020 retrospect, I think that we need to have a couple more fire extinguishers, or like a fire blanket, when we go out there to fly at the field. And if somebody goes down in the dry grass, before I go out and start looking for the airplane, I should just, as a precaution, grab the fire extinguisher, just in case, because those little fire extinguishers, it's only going to have enough fire suppressant in there for putting it out right at the beginning, at the onset. If it gets going even by a minute or two, you're not going to be able to put that out. So in any event, I think that is the lesson I have learned from this, is that I should have went and grabbed the fire extinguisher first before heading out to the dead dry grass. And we should probably have a couple more fire extinguishers, like if a few people would have had some instead of just one. And I think a fire blanket would actually be good. Just go out there, throw it over it, and then start river dancing on it and see if we can suppress the fire. But it was a little bit scary. It got going pretty quickly, and I think that the thing that we did do right is we didn't hesitate to call the fire department. That's what they're there for. Luckily, we called them before the problem got too out of hand and became a real serious issue. So if you ever have one of these issues when you're out flying or doing something, do not hesitate to call the fire department. Call them right away before the problem gets out of hand, right? Don't hesitate just because you're afraid of getting in trouble or whatever. Just call them. That's what they're there for. Shit happens, right? And so use the resources when you need to. But yeah, I think that in the future, I'm gonna try and see if more of us can have fire extinguishers at the field. I'm gonna invest in a fire blanket so that I can toss that over and river dance. And don't hesitate to call the fire department. There you go. It was a little bit scary. Luckily, the fire department got there so quickly that it didn't become a bigger issue. Oh boy, fun times. So all we can do when something like this happens is look back at things honestly, do a little bit of a debrief for ourselves, and see if there's anything we can learn from the experience to try and mitigate things in the future. So be safe. Flying is fun, but LiPos are dangerous, and we should take steps to mitigate those dangers. All right, have a good one. Be safe.